Di ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, but I feel so tired emotionally. And so, hey guys, welcome to another vlog. And whew, I'm not really sure kung i-upload ko tong vlog na to, but feels so, I don't know, I'm exhausted. Di ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, but I feel so tired emotionally. And okay kami ni Carlos, okay kami. I mean, the relationship, okay naman. I guess, naho-homesick ako, I think. Hindi ko ma-explain kung ano yung nafe-feel ko, but alam niyo ba yung pakiramdam na sobrang pagod kayo, pero I mean, not because na dahil kumikilos kayo or what, pero sobrang yung body nyo parang gusto nyo nang mag-shutdown, parang ganun. And I feel so sad kasi I don't know, si Sander, he makes me so tired. And nag-change yung character niya, I think just because nandito yung daddy niya and it's different for him, diba? Kasi ako lang mag-isa doon nag-raise sa kanya, and this time, andito yung daddy niya. And to tell you, ako sa parents, diba? Sa father and mother, the father should be the strict one, pero ako yun. And yung feeling na siguro natitip-test din ako kasi alam niyo yun, yung adjustment na ginagawa namin dito, hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Hindi siya biro. Because the first time I was here, I'm thinking, oh, wala yan, wala lang yan. Madali lang yan. I mean, the adjustment and everything. Kumbaga, easy lang yan. But no, guys, as in, lahat ng adjustment gagawin nyo pagka pumunta kayo sa ibang bansa, and especially they are talking another language. They don't know how to talk English here. I mean, some people, but some French people, pero yung iba talagang straight French sila. And I feel so sad. I think one of the reason din kasi si Sander, nag-start na kasi siya ng parang school na for 1 month para on September makapag-adjust na siya and the language and everything. And sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, I want to talk French. I don't understand my classmates. And it makes me so sad kasi one time, nagstay ako doon just for an hour, I think, and I saw him talagang struggle siya. As in, talagang nakaupo lang siya, but nagpa-participate naman siya sa mga activities and everything. Pero makikita mo sa kanya na super confused niya, and talagang, ano bang pinag-uusapan nila? Parang ganun. It's so hard. Pero, sabi naman ni Carlos, makakapag-adjust din kami. We've been here only for like 2 months, I think. Almost 2 months. And, nararamdaman ko na yung hirap ng adjustment sa lahat ng bagay. And, of course, I don't have a friends here. As in, guys, sobrang hindi ko alam. Nahihirapan ako. Pero I have to do it kasi kailangan ko i-continuous yung pagstay ko dito because my husband is here. And I don't know. I just want to share with you guys kung ano yung nafe-feel ko. Maybe nag-iisip ako ng sobra sa pag-parenting or what, I don't know. Parang naghalo-halo na kasi lahat ng, alam mo yun, yung iniisip ko, and I hope I will feel better soon. Yun lang naman. And well, anyways, ikat na natin tong drama, guys. I'm not sure what we will do today. Ang kulo ng may closet. Ano namin. Hindi pa kasi yan tapos, guys. Yan. Papalitan namin yung parang mirror. Anyways, Shein na site, website dito. Super cute. Yeah, ayan siya. And sabi ko, kailangan kong maging wise sa pagpili. Kasi I don't have a clothes talaga dito, pang clothes dito. Sabi ko, I need to be wise. Kailangan, kung ano yung meron ako, hindi ko na orderin. What we talk about? You will listen to who?
Daddy and you.
And you will not shout. I love you. Kiss mommy.
I like to pick that. It's with the hot dog.
You like the biscuit? May show that, dali. Where is it? This one.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. You can drink it. You want to put in your box? No.
No.
Hi guys, andito kami sa Chinese store. Kuya, no. Sabi ko sa inyo yung Chinese store. Look. It's not really big, pero yan. Kuya, let's go get a ramen na. Here. His favorite. And then
Here.
you have a lot of ramens, Kuya.
Yeah.
It's this one. This one is good, love. It's a shrimp. This one is good. You have to try it. I swear. You have to trust me.
Yeah, this is spicy. You like? You like?
A little. Meron silang Locopico na candy.
Oh, it's really spicy. Let's keep it at spicy.
Because it's for me. Look, guys. May mga pansit din sila. I'm so happy. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, di ba meron tayo yan? Look. Ito, bumili ako nito, guys, pang siomai. Kuya, come on. Alam niyo kung anong hinahanap ko? Bagoong. Pero wala sila ata eh. Wala silang bagoong. Kuya, hala. Nido. Sriracha. Kuya. Guys, meron din silang mga sweet sauce. Normal. May sinigang ako nakita dito eh. I don't know where is it. But, come on. There. Sinigang mix.
Sinigang mix.
Nagpa-kiss pa.
How many in the coffee?
Chacha. Baby, you are always...
Ciao, Spanyola.
Ciao. Sabi niya, nag-kiss pa siya sa daddy niya. Sayang, hindi ko na i-vlog. Alam niyo yung mga moment na gusto ko i-vlog, hindi ko nakakaligtaan ko lagi. Kakasar. Anyways. Kain, guys. Adik tong batang to.
Swimming is right.
With shrimp, my goodness. You're good now in the chopstick, kuya. Oh my God. You're good on chopstick.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up,